Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable or disable the front and rear parking sensors. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard behind the steering wheel. You can navigate by using arrows, the left and right arrow. So in my case, let me highlight here the settings. So if you highlight the settings, you can press OK button to enter the settings. OK button is under the scrolling wheel. Let's just press this scrolling wheel and you will just enter these settings. Then let's scroll down to choose here the driver assistance. From driver assistance, you need to scroll down to highlight the parking aids. So let me do it. Let's enter this parking aids, and then you can scroll down, and as you can see here, you've got front and rear. Those are two parking sensors. You can disable or enable those parking sensors. In my case, I've got this enabled. If I press the front and rear, the orange light disappear, and it means that I just disabled the parking sensors. Of course, it's quite useful to have them enabled, so I will keep them on, and let me leave it that way. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.